Most PSU employees do not fail because of wrong decisions. They struggle because they are pushed to decide before they are clear. We begin with purpose and clarity, understanding your life, family responsibilities, and why wealth should support peace, not pressure. Next comes mindset, breaking salary comfort myths and learning to think independently, not emotionally. Then we build skill set, demand, location logic, and protection, so how you understand real estate before entering the market. Only after that do we'll focus on action set, acquiring, managing, and optimizing assets with discipline, not urgency. And finally, freedom, contribution, and legacy, where wealth brings stability, choices, and the ability to guide others wisely. This is a real estate education framework built by PSU families for PSU employees, from clarity to legacy.